Alright, I've been cleaning up while I've been waiting on my daughter. So I think I'm going to go do a cold start video. Those seem to be popular. My most popular video is a cold start. Now, I have to deal with what I have here. It's 48 degrees. This is as cold as it is. Now I know those of you in Antarctica and Canada and Alaska and places like that have it colder. But I'm not there. I'm in North Carolina, so this is cold. So what I'm going to cold start is this 1946 Ford truck with a 1996 Powerstroke diesel. And I've done some wiring here, you can tell. I got wire nuts and all like that right there. Let's see if it'll run. I haven't tried it yet today. Let's turn the key on. Check engine. Wait to start. Test light indicates glow plugs. Wait to start one out. Let's see what happens. Glow plugs are still working, see? 7.3s need them glow plugs. Still working. There you have it. A cold start at 48 degrees. I got my coat on. You know it's chilly. I mean cold. Thanks for watching, y'all. Appreciate it.